In this video, we'll show you how to change the oil and the oil filter on your Dodge Charger. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open your oil filler cap. This will facilitate the flow of oil when draining. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Dodge Charger safely. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 4 engine splash shield retaining bolts. Remove the splash shield. You can now see the drain plug. Unscrew the drain plug with the help of a ratchet and a 13mm socket. Start the process with the wrench and finish it off by hand. Be careful on the last few turns. The oil can squirt suddenly. You will have to anticipate this, making sure you have an oil collector on hand. Let the oil run out for about 10 minutes. When you change the oil, you should also replace the oil filter. It is located next to the engine cover. Using a ratchet, a large extender, and a 24mm socket, release the filter cap by turning it counterclockwise until it turns easily. To collect the oil contained in the filter that might come out when it is removed, place an oil collector underneath. Finish unscrewing by hand. Place it in a liquid collector. Remove the filter by prying on it with a flathead screwdriver. Using a fairly thin flathead screwdriver, remove the rubber O-ring located under the flange of the cap. Clean the filter cap with brake cleaner and a paper towel. You can order the parts and products used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Replace the seal with the one provided in the new filter box, taking care to oil its surface well. Take the new filter and insert it into the cap. You should hear a click as it locks into place. Oil the filter O-ring. Screw the filter back on by hand until it makes contact. To tighten it, use your ratchet, the extender, and a 24mm socket. Be careful. With this type of oil filter, sometimes the new seal is too thick, making the actual tightening more complicated. So make sure that the flange of the cap is pressed against the metal motor support. Finish tightening using a torque wrench.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Replace the drain plug with a new one, then screw the plug back in. Start by hand, then finish it off using a torque wrench. Use brake cleaner and paper towels to clean up any oil that may have leaked. It is necessary to pour oil back into the motor at this point. This step must be done with care and precision. Put the splash shield back in place, then lower your car back to the ground and check the oil level. This is something that can only be done when the vehicle is flat. Use a funnel to prevent oil from leaking out to the next filler hole. It is then necessary to add the oil to the engine. Begin by putting 90% of the suggested amount. This will leave you a large enough margin to adjust the level of oil appropriately. You can find in the tutorial's description the exact quantity of oil recommended for your car. Close the oil fill plug. Start the engine and let the car run for 30 seconds. This will fill the oil filter. Remove the oil dipstick and wipe it down. Plunge it back into its sheath. Remove it again and check the oil level. The optimal level is near the maximum, but be careful to never go over it. Based on the level indicated on the dipstick, readjust to obtain the optimum amount. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.